Unbox my first makeup PR package with me. This is from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Let's just get right into this thing because I'm so excited. And yes, I should never be allowed to have a knife. All right, now let's get into this. The packaging is so cute, you guys. So let's get into it. I'm literally so excited. Oh, that's ridiculous. Oh my goodness. Okay. Thank you. That is literally so kind. They asked me to make a wish list, and I sent them quite a big wish list, and I said, just pick what you want to give me off of it. And I'm pretty sure they literally gave me everything off it. I feel so greedy, but I feel so blessed. Thank you so freaking much. Oh my goodness. This is going to be the first thing. I believe this is an eyeshadow palette. It is called Thirsty. So let's open it up. First look is together. Look at that color story. That is absolutely gorgeous. I'm very excited about the yellow and the blue specifically. And that silver is just like popping. So excited. I'm like, ah. This is literally like Christmas, okay? I'm like so freaking spoiled right now. I So these are eyeliners and these are lip liners. I'm really happy for the black because I don't have a black lip liner, so this is literally perfect. The packaging of the lip liner needs its own special moment. Like, look at the black for one. It just glides and it's super pigmented. Like, that is such a beautiful lip liner. And the packaging is literally next level. That's so cute. It's pink. Like, it's literally pink. That's the birthday suit, that pink right there. I'm pretty sure this is going to be my new favorite lip liner. I adore that pink. That is so up my alley. This is the eyeliner. It's super sleek and it's like got a very fine tip. So let's just try it out together. Beautiful pigment, very good control. And whenever I store things like this, I always store it like down like that. It just, you get the most life out of it that way. It never dries out. I don't think they have an issue with drying out, but that's just something I do with like all of my eyeliners. Just a tip. So these two are the second one. This is Tattooed Devil, and the first one was Grave Digger. I really like them. There's a lot of control and a lot of pigment. Got some individual shadows. I absolutely just couldn't get over some of these colors, and I just put them on the list just in case. And that's amazing. I'll do it with this finger because like I don't know why I did that off camera, but it feels like butter. The pigment is crazy. Yeah, I mean like obviously who wouldn't want that blue? Of course I picked that out. Like, so Magic Star Mushroom Mist. I'm excited for that. I thought it was cool. I was like, oh, let me see what that is. It is super cute. It says shake well, and then let's just spray it. That's amazing, mister. Like, it doesn't have a mushroom scent, so that's nice. Because I don't like the smell of mushrooms, but I absolutely love the mister on this. I think this is absolutely wonderful. It literally feels like Christmas, okay? Thank you so much, Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This is literally so kind. So, what is this? Oh, this is lip stuff. This is unicorn blood. Okay, so let's swatch it on my hand just because I already have a lippy on and I want to see kind of the bear. Do we see that deep, beautiful red there? I love that. Oh, yes. Yes, I do. And hey, I like that. When it closes, there's like a little click so you know it's actually closed. I like that too. One is in shade Weirdo, so it's just like pure black. So let's swatch that on my hand to see. Oh yeah, she's pure black. That is beautiful. For one, that's gonna be so good for like Halloween looks. This is Hi, how are ya? I freaking love that. Velour liquid lipstick. It is absolutely gorgeous. This is totally a me shade, like literally. Let's swatch it right here. I love that. Feels a little thick, but I also feel like that's perfect because you can just tell it's really gonna stay and like have so much beautiful pigment. It's from the new collection. It's a lip balm. It is called Encore. Encore. Oh my gosh, I don't know. It looks absolutely gorgeous and it smells nice too. I like it actually a lot. It's very hydrating. I'm just gonna get the pigment off it. I hate leaving pigment on my lip stuff. Weird. This is also from the new collection. This is Unicorn Blood. So let's put it right next to the other Unicorn Blood. Oh, see, that's a beautiful lip balm. That's like so perfect and precious. I like that. And it's melty. Do you see that? It's like melty. You can tell it's beautiful on the lips. The clear is on my lips and I like it. I'm actually so excited for this one. This is the wedding proof makeup setting spray. I am so excited because it's hot in the summer for me. It gets like 30 degrees Celsius and I'm from like a bay town. So that's hot for me. Um, oh my gosh, look at it. It's actually like super freaking gorgeous. The next look I do, I'm going to use this. I'm so excited. This packaging is literally unfreaking real, okay? Like, wow. I really, really like it. Even the clasp is like really nice. Oh my gosh. You guys, the color story. Let's look at that color story. It's absolutely beautiful. Look at the freaking shimmers. That one is literally calling my name so hard. I love it so much. I can't get over how big it is. I love it though. I specifically asked for this. I was like, this would be great for transitions because I love it. And yeah, obviously I'm gonna use it in transitions. But oh my gosh, this is so exciting. The packaging needs a full minute because the packaging on everything that has come in so far has been literally outstanding. Like it was so carefully packaged and like literal foam to carry this in. Okay. Nikki, look look at the ring light. Isn't it cute? The mirror is gorgeous. I frequently choke on air, you know. And look at the back. It literally is going to be perfect for transitions. Like, so freaking excited. Like, how cute is this? Is the Magic Candy. This is like their concealer, but you need to see the packaging on this, okay? Literal, like, princess concealer. You literally cannot get cuter packaging. Even this, I feel like I could do a transition with. Like, it's honestly so freaking cute. We got some makeup brushes too. I freaking love makeup brushes. You have no idea. It's honestly super cute. I love like the handle and the way it feels in my hand. I love the way it feels on my skin. Yeah, I do like that. I know, I don't have anything on it. I just want to feel what it feels like. And I like the way it feels. It's super cute and pink too. So I like that too. Setting powder, it's like lavender setting powder. So yeah, I'm really excited. I've never tried lavender, but oh my gosh, the packaging. I love pink, so like pink is awesome. Okay. I love that it's so easy to use and like you're gonna know if it's closed. Like that's important to me. This may be like something I try when I don't have nails on or when my husband is here to open it for me. This is their Banana Star Moisturizer. This is heavy. Okay, this is super heavy and I'm actually super excited. The packaging is freaking beautiful. Oh my god. Wow. That is literally out freaking standing. Let us smell it. Wow. It smells like a freaking banana cream pie, man. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Thank you. That is so beautiful and well designed. I am so excited about this. This is like their watermelon removing balm, so it helps remove your makeup. And obviously, I do like crazy intense makeup, so I need this. Once again, this packaging is literally out freaking standing. Like, I honestly can't get over how cute the packaging is for like all of this. Oh my god, it smells like a watermelon. I'm just gonna put my knuckle. It literally feels amazing, guys. Like, honestly and truly, you can tell that's gonna melt everything away and leave your skin feeling heavenly. Okay. And it smells like watermelon bubblegum. I am not kidding. And it's literally pink and green. Like the perfect colors together. Oh my god. This is a scoop. Holy shit. The packaging, guys. The packaging. This is their newest launch, and basically the reason why I got their PR package was because they reached out and they wanted me to be a part of their PR for this launch and told me I could pick out what I wanted. And I picked out a bunch of stuff and I said only to pick a few things, but I guess they grabbed everything I picked, which is crazy. Thank you so much. Please don't think I'm greedy. And then look at this palette, guys. That blue, that blue. I don't know if you like, obviously I like blue. I like blue. Blue is one of my favorite colors. So I'm so excited. You have no idea. I'm literally like, let's swatch it right now. Like, honestly, I love that blue. It's actually super similar to my other one, if not just a slightly little bit darker. So I kind of like that I have both those blues because I could work with that. I like shading. It literally feels like Christmas just came early. So thank you so much, Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I am so grateful. That was so kind of you to send all of that. Literally, I can't wait for my husband to come up so I can show him all of it, you guys. And I need to say a big thank you to everyone who watches my content. Like, I wouldn't get this or be here without you. So I truly appreciate you guys so much. You have no freaking idea. I am so grateful and I feel so blessed to have received this. This is so kind, and I am so freaking excited to use these products in my new looks. Like, you guys have no idea. I am like beyond pumped. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. I hope you guys have a great day, and I just big shout out to Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I truly, truly appreciate this. Thank you guys so much. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.